Today we will do defects of vision. First defect is myopia. Now look at here beta. Spellings, short spellings. So it is short-sightedness, nearsightedness. It is also called nearsightedness, short-sightedness. First of all, definition, what is myopia? Myopia is the defect of eye in which a person can see nearby objects clearly but cannot see far off objects clearly. What is the cause of myopia? There are two causes. First one is eyeball becomes longer. There is elongation of eyeball. Second is there is decrease in focal length of eye lens. Far point of myopic eye, it is less than infinity. You know that far point of normal human eye is infinity, but far point of myopic eye is less than infinity. Myopic person cannot see far off objects clearly. Correction, it is corrected by using concave lens of suitable power. Here are the diagrams. First diagram is of normal human eye which can see object at infinity and image is formed properly at retina. But look at this diagram. This diagram depicts myopic eye or defected eye. Here the person cannot see up to infinity. The person cannot see up to infinity. The far point is now less than infinity because image is formed in front of the retina. The size of the eyeball has elongated. It is longer. It has enlarged. So image is formed in front of retina. How it is corrected? It is corrected by using spectacles with concave lens. Concave lens. Now what concave lens do? Concave lens, it corrected the image and it is properly formed on retina. In this way, myopic eye defect can be corrected by using spectacles with concave lens. अब मैं कहूँगी second defect of vision is hypermetropia. Now look at the spellings beta. Long spellings, long sightedness or far sightedness. It can be named with any name. Hypermetropia, long sightedness, far sightedness. What is its definition? How you will define it? It is a defect of vision in which a person cannot read the book clearly but can see far off objects clearly. Cause, its cause is, first cause is shortening of eyeball. Second is focal length of eye lens increases. It is reverse of myopia. Near point of hypermetropic eye is more than 25 centimeter. Near point of normal human eye is 25 centimeter. So a person suffering from hypermetropic eye cannot read a book by keeping it at a distance of 25 centimeter. He or she has to increase the distance, that is more than 25 centimeter, to keep the book. Correction. It is corrected by using convex lens of suitable power. Now look at the diagram. This is normal human eye which can see object or book at a distance of 25 centimeter and can be clearly read. Image is formed on retina. But a person suffering from hypermetropic cannot focus the book at 25 centimeter. He has to increase the distance from the eye. Corrected eye. If the person uses spectacles with convex lens, then the image is formed properly on retina. But hypermetropic eye, the image is formed behind the retina because eyeball has become short. So image is formed behind the retina. Another defect of vision is presbyopia. It is also called old age hypermetropia. It occurs in old persons only because gradually weakening of ciliary muscles. Due to old age, ciliary muscles are not able to hold the lens in the intact position, and flexibility of the eye lens also diminishes. In this defect of vision, a person finds difficulty in reading a book as well as in seeing the far off objects. Both the defects are there. So this defect is corrected by using bifocal lenses. Special spectacles are made which are having convex lens below to see hypermetropic defect and concave lens above to correct the myopic defect. Fourth defect is cataract. In this defect, crystalline lens of old people, it becomes milky and cloudy. In Hindi, it is called motia, and this is corrected by cataract surgery. Surgery is the only correction to remove the crystalline structure which is formed over the lens. Thank you.